There's no doubt that China has become the factory of the most impressive innovations on the planet, and the technologies they're developing are among the most revolutionary of all. From ships that create entire islands out of nothing to satellites impossible to spy on, these inventions are redefining what we thought possible. We're talking about robots that patrol streets identifying millions of faces in seconds and construction systems that erect entire buildings without human intervention. Get comfortable and join me as we take a tour through the 8 most impressive Chinese inventions that are transforming our world in ways you never thought possible. Number 8. Autonomous Construction System. China has developed the most revolutionary construction system in history, a completely autonomous ecosystem capable of building massive projects without direct human intervention. This system operates through 3 perfectly synchronized components. First, specialized drones scan the terrain and create 3-dimensional maps with millimetric precision. Second, robotic excavators, cranes, and trucks move around the site transporting materials and executing each phase of construction. Third, a central artificial intelligence coordinates everything in real time, optimizing every movement and correcting errors instantly. The most impressive part is that it can work 24 hours without rest, in extreme weather conditions where humans wouldn't survive, from sandstorms to sub-zero temperatures or scorching heat. The implications for the traditional industry are devastating because it completely eliminates workplace accidents, finishes projects in half the time, and achieves precision impossible to match with conventional methods. While the rest of the world continues depending on human crews, China is building infrastructure at speeds that seem pulled from the future. Number 7. The ship that creates islands out of nothing. Have you ever imagined a ship capable of creating entire islands where before there was only open ocean? It sounds like pure science fiction, but the Tiankunhao is absolutely real and terrifying in its geopolitical power. This giant dredger is the largest ever built by humanity. It uses massive suction systems capable of extracting sediments from the ocean floor at 35 meters deep and strategically depositing them to create territory where none existed. Its dredging capacity allows it to move 6,000 cubic meters per hour continuously, the equivalent of 3 Olympic swimming pools every 60 minutes. The most revolutionary aspect is its operational autonomy because it can work 24 hours without stopping, withstand extreme ocean storms, and create artificial islands the size of football fields in a matter of weeks. China has already used this technology to expand its presence in the South China Sea, building military bases, landing strips, and strategic ports in the middle of the ocean. Number 6. Humanoid Patrol Police. Chinese streets are patrolled by something that seems straight out of a science fiction movie. The PM-01, a police robot that not only looks human, but acts with an efficiency that no traditional officer can match. Standing 1.65 meters tall, the PM-01 can walk, run, and make real arrests without human intervention. Its facial recognition system identifies suspects in a database of millions of faces in less than 2 seconds, connected directly to national security headquarters. The advantage over a human police officer is devastating because it never gets tired, never accepts bribes, never acts on prejudices, and never makes mistakes due to stress or fatigue. It's literally the perfect watchman that authorities always dreamed of having. Equipped with powerful speakers and LED screens, it can give instructions in multiple languages and coordinate evacuations during emergencies with millimetric precision. When it must use force, its mechanical arms can immobilize an adult while sending automatic alerts to all nearby stations. Number 5. The Quantum Satellite Impossible to Spy On. This revolutionary project has been developed by Chinese scientists and designed to solve one of the most critical problems of modern security: communications that can be intercepted by spy agencies. The Mesius satellite manages to create communications completely impossible to hack using quantum physics. This technology completely eliminates the possibility of espionage because any attempt to intercept the signal automatically destroys the transmitted information. Unlike traditional systems that try to encrypt data, Mesius simply makes espionage impossible by creating a communication channel based on immutable physical laws. The potential applications are immense for the military and governmental future. If China manages to implement this technology on a global scale, it could end the intelligence advantage of agencies like the NSA or MI6, allow inviolable military communications, and create information networks completely secure against any cyber attack. The creation of MISHIAS demonstrates that China is revolutionizing even the most sensitive aspects of national security, transforming satellite communications into impenetrable quantum fortresses. Number 4. Autonomous firefighting drone. In the field of firefighting, one of the most impactful advances has been the development of autonomous drones capable of fighting flames without risking a single human life, flying directly into the heart of the fire as if it were routine. This system has been created using advanced thermal sensors that function like the eyes of a perfect firefighter. It allows it to identify critical points of the fire with precision that surpasses any traditional extinction method. This drone can carry out coordinated attacks against fires that require extremely rapid responses. With its ability to work without rest and autonomous navigation algorithms, it eliminates the need to expose human firefighters to deadly situations. The most amazing thing is that this system isn't limited to small fires, but can fight massive forest conflagrations in a coordinated manner with entire fleets of drones. This opens possibilities to control disasters that previously consumed millions of hectares. The EHang has already been successfully used in real fires in China with extraordinary results, taking fire extinction to levels never before reached in the history of emergency services. Number 3. The Chinese artificial sun. In the secret laboratories of China, the most advanced nuclear fusion reactor on the planet has just been born. This artificial sun reaches temperatures 7 times higher than the core of the real sun, completely redefining what it means to have unlimited energy. The East reactor eliminates dependence on fossil fuels thanks to its nuclear fusion technology that generates clean energy without dangerous radioactive waste or polluting emissions. What's truly incredible is that it can heat plasma to 70 million degrees Celsius and maintain stable reactions for more than 17 minutes, setting world records that no other country has managed to equal. It operates through magnetic confinement systems and superconductor technology that control this energy beast with automatically activated safety protocols. Unlike traditional fission reactors that generate toxic waste, nuclear fusion produces clean energy by imitating the process that powers the stars. If China manages to completely stabilize this reactor, it would have access to practically infinite and free energy, making all global energy infrastructure based on oil, coal, and natural gas obsolete. Number 2. Robotized vertical farms. Farms have evolved tremendously, but what if they could produce 100 times more food than traditional agriculture in a fraction of the space? A team of Chinese specialists has created something that seemed impossible: the world's first completely automated vertical farms. These technological giants occupy multi-story buildings but can feed millions of people, producing vegetables 24 hours a day without depending on outside weather. Their hydroponic cultivation system completely revolutionizes global food production. Imagine this: a city faces devastating droughts. Weather conditions prevent farmers from harvesting, but these vertical farms can cultivate without using soil or depending on rain, resist any adverse weather conditions, and deliver tons of fresh vegetables directly to markets in a matter of hours. They can work in urban environments where agriculture is impossible, use 95% less water than traditional methods, and perform precision cultivation in completely controlled spaces. China already has dozens of these operational facilities, completely revolutionizing global food security. Number 1. Autonomous robot helper. China has developed the perfect agricultural assistant that is revolutionizing real fields right now. A compact yet powerful machine capable of performing more than 50 different tasks, from planting and watering to monitoring crops 24 hours a day. This helper robot is basically an employee that never gets tired, never gets sick, and can work under any imaginable weather condition. Its modular design allows tools to be swapped according to the task: arms for planting, tanks for fumigation, cutters for pruning, all controlled by a central artificial intelligence that makes decisions in real time. The most impressive thing is its autonomous learning capability, because after just a few weeks working on a farm, the robot knows each plant individually, remembering its growth history, water needs, and susceptibility to pests with precision impossible for humans. Farmers who have tried it report a 35% increase in productivity and a 50% reduction in the use of resources like water and fertilizers, transforming traditional farms into futuristic operations. We've seen the 8 most advanced and revolutionary Chinese inventions that are about to change our world forever. From ships that create territories out of nothing to robots that produce food without limits, each of these innovations represents an evolutionary leap in contemporary technology that is placing China decades ahead of the rest of the world. Now tell me, what do you think about these Chinese technologies? Which one impacted you the most? Leave me your opinion in the comments. If you like this video, give it a like and subscribe so you don't miss any of our future videos. See you in the next one.